Hak step jong ka khat khandai trik uyayong arja arpusau ki nong shong shnong nak Shillong Lok Sabha Parliamentary Constituency ki latu chi ki polling station baper ban tap ya ki vote ban jet ya la ki Kyrtong ki bagi ngomon ban pha mi khmat jak darbar ba Lok Sabha Delhi hadian ka result ka ba ansapan bana hak sau trik ujlio arja arpusau na padang ki Kyrtong ki balam mi shakmat dang step ban let tap yala ki vote ki kentop yo ba Vincent H Palau Kyrtong ka Congress na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ubra tap ka vote jong u halamar siang polling station ka baha pasutnga Saipung Legislative Assembly Constituency ringkat ka jingadon lang ikmi jong u bat ka kurim uba Palau President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee udeiru Kyrtong uba dang pen krek ban job hakasien ka basaw ya kanik election na do bola job ning kong house nam arajar khandai nang tabot pat house nam arajar khat saw bat arajar khat khandai nang tau ba Robert June Kharjarin u Kyrtong ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA ka kunho ni tre lang hapdeng ka United Democratic Party UDP but Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP na kapenta kanika election MP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ulawan ban tap ya ka vote jong u hamau thau pada polling station haringkat ka jingsenran lang ka kurim jong u Kyrtong ka Voice of the People's Party VPP u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ulawan ban tap ya ka vote jong u hapok se Glakin School polling station hakapor chiposh puaman step ka Kyrtong jong ka National People's Party ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdoru kalawan ban tap ya ka vote jong ka ha area Kanya Vidyalaya polling station jong ka Lajmkhra Legislative Assembly Constituency ya ka kong Amprin la senran da ka khun bat ki bahyeng hasam ka kong Amprin kadang bat mentakum ka menteri ha ka sarkar MDA2 ka belam khmat da ka National People's Party nang ta uba lakhon kma Kyrtong klamseng ubay ai rang ha kanik election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat ula wan ban tap ya ka vote jong u Hasin John Bosco Secondary School polling station na kanik election ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency udon sa uba Peter Shalam u noi sat an ubay ai rang kum Kyrtong shipment.
This was a worthwhile journey. I took it with all sincerity. I put in all my effort. I gave it my best, and my journey throughout the 36 constituencies has been very fulfilling. I will vow that I will put in all efforts to ensure that we together work in all 36 constituencies to ensure benefit for the people. We are here to serve the people. We should not compromise. And I have taken notes of every observation that I have made, least I forget. And I will ensure that I will lobby, I will consult, I will highlight the issues which I thought need urgent attention by government. Meghalaya have become aggressive. I will say that there are players in the political scenario that have become nasty, negative, no mutual respect. And it is this one party that has left a very bitter taste in everybody's mind. That is why I talk about corruption of the mind. Gone are those days where the state of Meghalaya mutually respected all political parties. We are at that stage where there is one very aggressive party which is just trampling on everybody else's opinions. Now, that is something which we have to deal with in the state, and I will try my best to ensure that we eliminate this negative politics that we are seeing happening. Poking each other, pushing people to say regretful things. This is something which Meghalaya has not seen. And this dirt that they have brought along into this political scenario of Meghalaya is regretful. Very, very regretful. I have been actively involved in politics since I was like 8, 9, 10 years old. I've never seen this hate. So that is dangerous because that is what is going to destroy us.
Ma'am, how confident are you?
Confidence. This is the first time I have fought the MP election. I will not say I'm confident. I will say that my team has worked well. My party has coordinated very efficiently this one time. Every soldier is on the ground. Every member of the party is actively involved in this garnering of support for the party. And if you ask me whether or not that will yield positive results, I believe it will, because every boot on the ground is aggressively fighting the hate politics that has emerged in the state of Meghalaya in just this one MP election. I do not think that people are talking against the government, but people have welcomed me with open arms. Whether or not they were my voters, I have no indication, but there was much respect, much love, much expectation from all of the expressions that I encountered in my journey through all the 36 constituencies. I feel that that is what gave me the strength to continue on my journey. I never at any point of time thought that there was a rejection of my candidature, and maybe that is the main motivation for me personally to continue on that journey and to complete it to the best of my capacity and capability.
Kum ka party ni don ka jingkermen ka kraw ka election kam tam habing snor gi kubor na kling so dong na dang step kibri kibala lek ban yang lain do kapor to san baji e kumtu ka te kai we ka dak ka ba snotnat ba Paidbah kula thrang shisha ya kata ya ka sngi bat dai kata hi kelong ka dak ka ba pau jom kata ka jing thrang ka jing amnot jom ki ban I no ya ka jing kala ka kenti kidi ki khana ki ba usi ki ba kin pandon kam da ka thok ka syukur ka tu ka dai ka jing thok ka jing syukur you know you Paidbah mo ni kum ka party nadu ka sngi ka ban kong ni persang ban lek ban pensyai ban sumthu Paidbah umong bastat Paidbah ubang masyampang Paidbah uban tip ya ka jong ka mai la ka jong ka hok ya la ka bor kum unong tap vote ten rei ki don dai kini ki ba ya lam bakla pat kani kam dai ka sin ka ban kong kani ka di ka dak ba ki don ki bersyukur tang ban syupen pe ju Paidbah ban syuthok ban syukur Paidbah lam kini ki senam arok la lek now ti kalong ke ka sosi kan ba agam kum kani ka bor ban pinan kwa ban be ban syuthok ban syukur ban yalam baklai Paidbah ong ke ka ba sultan hat bat ka iknat kan te ngim don kan hunu ka jing atatien party hi ki Paidbah hi ki asmutho ki rasai bat kunta ni aga jing start ka jing Paidbah
Banaka liang jonga akan kentim ta ada la ya ban pendep la ka jonga hok bad ka jonga kamram ya ban thep ya ka but ka ba kodor ka jonga bat ngadon ya ta ka jingkmi lenti ba hakani ka por kam ta ki Paidbah nong snong ba I jonga Shillong parliamentary constituency kinemi syakhamat ya ka ban lek thep ya ka but ka jongki da ka jingkermen ba da ka jingkmi lenti ba ken thep nam ta ka lawe ka ba pernai nam ta ka jingeda ya ka ri ka je menru bat ka jala ka jongi nam ta ban penep sa ya ki riti ki dustur ki snap ki bakar pang bat kumju ru da ka jingtemu ya ka ban ken tiu ya ka ri bat ya ka jala ka jongi haki liang barok na kentu ya ki Paidbah no snong jong ka Shillong parliamentary constituency ya ka ba phinya mi setrhem ban lek ban padan kam hok ya ka hok ya ka ba ka riti penet kam jong ka ri India kal IFP lek syakhamat ban ya thep ya ka but ka ba ka kodor ka jongki hoj ni yo I hai kini ki kendiat kenta ba ki nong snong kila ya mi setrhem ban ya thep ya ka but ka jongki padan mi lenti ba kani ka bagi jing phagi jing mentoi ya ka jala ka jomi rokoi ni kemi lenti ba ya ka ban job dan hang ni ya ka ban ben ya kan no ya ro no ki nong ya kun barok ki ni yang sudah ji sungai tungan Henry Paidbah pat kin sa pensyong nong rem ki mat ni surat ki jing la ki jing tebet ki jomi ki tentang hoj ya don ni bat nakle jonga ngai ya barok ki nong song snong bat ki nong thobot jong ba Shillong parliamentary constituency ki bala kersan yang bat kumju uru ye ki bom sembla kersan ngi ha kanika por kabamenta bat ki mi lenti ba ladangi poi sa jing job in mi merlang mi kematlang namta barok bat kren ya kasur namta barok.
We are really voting for a change, and I do believe that people will cast their vote. And I've seen early morning people have started coming. I do believe that it's a good sign that people are aware about their rights, and we want that the turnout should be very, very high. And of course, naturally, I am being a candidate, will always love that they should vote for me. I'm sure people know their candidates now. So before coming to vote, they must have thought about whom they want to send to parliament to carry their voice. And I'm sure that way, of course, all candidates must have worked hard. But certainly, we are able to put forth our agenda to the public. And it is, of course, up to the wisdom of public to decide whom they really want to choose and send to the parliament. We can only hope for the best because after all it's an election and anything can happen, and counting day is long way to go, maybe June 4th. So whatever is casted there inside the the EVM machine, I think we'll all wish that these votes all come to me. Naturally, being having a candidate, I'll always expect that. But I do trust that people will be very thoughtful this time, and I'm sure I think I have done enough to convince people that why they need to send me to the parliament, and I'm quite hopeful that probably I will sail through. But the rest, of course, depend on the God. I mean, He knows the best what to do. So we leave it to Him. We can only do our part. The rest we leave it to God, and of course the general public who have to vote in huge numbers in order to make me sail through. So in my favor, of course. So. My message, of course, to all the voters who have not yet casted their votes, please come. This is very important because Government of India have spent so much of money in preparation, and if we don't exercise our franchise, I think then we don't do justice as a citizen of this great country. I think let's respect the Constitution, and let's respect and value our own right. Voting is one such right that you can change whatever you want. And that will require people to come out and vote. Unless they come and vote, no point sitting at home and complaining. And I do believe that, particularly in cities and now even in villages, people are aware. They will cast their vote, and naturally, I will expect that they should all give their vote to me. But then, they must cast their vote. That's very important.
Kum kinong song snong ki badon ga jingket kli ya ka long kaman ha ka jella bon ki Paidbah ki badon seki we pat ki jella ki da wan hi dala dia ban pendap ya ka ni ka kamram ka bakongsan ban jet ya la ki nong mikmat sya ka yeng dorbar lok sabha ha ka ni ka step la sakhi ya ka jingwan tap vote om tang de ki nong song snong henry wat ki badon jing Duna Dkhot kum uwei ni ki rangba ha yaw musiang polling station ki Riewniam ba phe han nong se block 1 ki bala pen pau ka jingkerman ba u ni ka Kyrtong ba ki jet kin le e ka ba bahatam na ka Bynta ka constituency ka ba ki yo ban mikmat Nalor ki rangba bat ki long kme lam ki samla la yo iru ik jingwan tap vote da ki teman ki kro bat ki wei pat ki ba yo ban tap vote ning kong ha ka diga sngi ki yo da ki certificate bat ka lat ban thung ding kum ka khubor ban penne e ka me mariang kat ba ki samla ki ba yo e ka lat ha ka sien ban kong ban tap ki yo jing ai sngo bha da ka pela di sha
em đi Duna rồi em có học tiếng nào em đẹp hơn cao nào học vô rồi.
Lekan usin jo ya Puan Cup MP election.
MP election aku dari Malaysia.
MDC yang ada.
MLA deh, MDC deh.
Yang menyerap IP Puan Meghalaya ni semua.
Ngah penawan trong saksi kampung ni yung poin ni dia ngai tahu. Ngah kre berlah ya ni tahu senam apa.
Ni wana Tripura ni sa siya wa sa sthi Tripura mentala cendap asnem de kum hakani kapor banwan thebut de ngidon kata ka duty mo ban pendep ela ka jong ka kamram kum kata ka nong sok snong jong ka Meghalaya
ni yawana asam na district di Mahasau district bat ka ni sunga wa kan ni kapor kalong ka badon kamtam ni we kum nong sok snong sisa ngi don kam ba what iwe ivodru kadai ka ba don kam tam kum kinong shong jong kam Meghalaya kat kum ga hang ni ha Meghalaya ngi iba kata ka jing long keluat men ka jing keluat banyak tap buat ngi la banjien ya unong mikmat ubani ngomon ya bani bun ki parti kum ha Meghalaya hi la bun ki nong ki kandidat ki bayang amar badon ke jing lai loy bangin buat ya ya kanu ka parti bagi ngopit kum ki nong shong yo banjien kata ka dei ka ba si sem perkat ka dei hang ni yo ya ka jing loy ban buat yo yo bagi ngomon
ngawana ka diocese Tongstone ngakwa ban sau thu ya ki briu wa ki di ban ji di ki briu wa ba ki ban pensa ya ka takarukom penyait na du menchwa balayo ya ki jing lai loy makin bangin yo hi ban bat ya ka constitution bahkan don hi kata ka sencha khatar ba ba baginong tre kam sarkar kin yalam ini hegelanti ba ba em ka jing kormar ka jing ya pat ka jing ya pra ni ko ai bangin ya tulilang kawe kum kinong India te banias nok tilang tang kawe ha ka jing ba ka jing suk ka jing ya sang thu jing mon
Habatin, Paidbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, Duna ki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, Paid ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya